Okay, I'm going to be replacing the screen on a Dell Inspiron E1545. It has a webcam in it. The screen is all smashed to crap, as you can see. So, we'll get at it here. Okay, so, first thing we got to do is pop the panel off here. And like any of them, well, this one here has a little divot right here. Just get a screwdriver in there and start working it up real carefully. Open the screen up all the way because we're going to have to clear that. I haven't done one of these yet, so it's kind of flying by the seat of my pants here. I just don't want to be breaking anything. I would assume it just pops up like any of the other ones. Of course, you know what they say about assuming. Yeah, it looks like it's coming. The screen got stepped on. And it's been sitting around forever, waiting for me to fix it. And boy, I don't know, that looks like it's not wanting to come off very good. Let's see if I can get something going from... It's an awful chintzy feeling. Feels like it just wants to snap right in two. Come on, bitch. There we go. Alright. Boy, that is freaking garbage. I'm gonna get a little bigger blade here. Wow. That is some real crap-ass stuff. Alright, let's see here. Yeah, I guess you just gotta manhandle it a little more than... It's a little more robust than what it feels, but still don't like it. Okay, so this looks like we have hinge screws there and there. And the monitor is gonna plug in. Well, I suppose I better pop the keyboard out real quick here. This is the couple cables there. We got you here. Well, you know what? I'm going to take the bezel off first. The bezel off the monitor. We'll see if that'll lead anywhere. Got to pop your little bumpers off, as with any of the monitors. Come on, you pricks. Get them in there, stick them together. I probably should have got a piece of wax paper out or something to stick these on. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to stick it on the cellophane of my cigarette pack. Of course, I don't know if these are actual bumpers or if they're just to hide the screw heads, because I don't know if you can see, but the bezel goes in. It's higher here than in here, so I don't think them... Well, of course, the contour of the body just slopes down, so I suppose they do hit. Alright, let's see. Alright, get them screws out. Actually, let that come off. Of course, that bezel's broken too, but I'm going to see if I can get away with still using it. I need to get back so we can get the whole thing in the perspective. Let me try putting my wide-angle lens on here just a second. Alright, that's a little better. My lens is dirty though, so. Alright, let's see what we got. What a freaking crappy, chintzy feeling laptop though. Definitely not like the, I got the Inspiron 1505, you know, the older one, and it is a much more durable laptop. This also has the magnet going around here to keep that shut. See, this pretty strong magnet too. Apparently it's just right at the front there by where the webcam is. Okay, got one out. Two. Three. All right, there we got them all out. Now we'll see how this pops off of here. You can see right here where it's broken. So let me get a screwdriver in there and see what's going to happen here. You know what I'm going to do first? I forgot to take the battery out. I mean, it's been sitting for weeks, so I'm sure the battery's probably dead, but okay, here we go. Have to adjust this for Trayvon rails. What a bunch of bullshit. This freaking country's gone nuts. That freaking president of ours, he ain't making anything any better either. Alright, there we go. It's popping off. Okay, so we got that. That came off without much to do. So, oh look at that. They used the bezel screws to hold the screen right in there. They really cheaped up, man. The older laptops, you take the bezel off and your screen would be held in by more screws. This one just has two screws, one on each side on the bottom. That's all that's holding in once you get that bezel off. That's cheap. Cheap. Alright, I'll take them out. Then pop this screen out real quick and see if I gotta pull the keyboard. Maybe I don't want to pull the keyboard. Oh, shit. Okay. Don't touch. Don't touch. So apparently, we will have to pull the keyboard. I mean, I could peel this up, I think, and pop it off right here, but, okay, there's the webcam up there. So this is for the webcam, this is for the screen. But let me pop that keyboard real quick here. Keyboards are easy. Just a second. Okay, so now to do the keyboard, you just gotta pop out this one and this one, and then you can just pop it out. There's a couple little dogs sticking out here that just snap your keyboard in. It's real easy. The screws are all the same, so you don't have to worry about mixing up the screws. That magnet, that little magnet on the bezel there, magnetized the tip of my screwdriver. All it is one, it's got to be a neodymium or whatever they call them. One magnet right here. And she's quite a powerful little sucker. Alright, so we got that. Now it's just a matter of just carefully lifting it up. The ribbon cable is at the bottom here. So, but we should be able to just set this back. Yeah, it'll go back. And then we got to take the monitor, the screen off right here. And that is just lifting up here. Popping it right straight out of there, like so. And that's it. You've liberated the screen from the laptop. So, I gotta order a new screen, stick it back together, and so I'll finish the video when I get the screen. Alright, see ya! Okay, so the new screen got here today. Got it from Amazon. It was the same price as eBay. A couple dollars tax, but, you know, 2-day shipping. Gotta take the mounts off the old screen. That's just unscrewing it from the sides and then screwing it back on. The new screen is pre-tapped. That's JB Weld, honey. Alright, well, I'm gonna get them off and get them on this new screen. Okay, so I have the mounts on the new screen. Now, I just need to take off the data cable. It's put on right here. I don't know why my phone... There we go. It's got some double-sided tape holding it down. Looks like part of it will be good, but I have a roll of... it's actually the stuff for outdoors, just in case I need a little chunk of it that I'll use. The other thing, too, is that Amazon lists the new monitor as a LP156WH2 TLA1. That's how it's listed on Amazon. But the new screen, the one that came, you can see it's N156BGE-L21. So, I mean, everything looks like it's going to work. So we'll hook it up and see what happens. It's also not made by, or it's not an LG screen. The old one is LG. The new one is just some China crap. So, but I'm sure it'll work. So, to get this off, you just lift up the little ribbon, because you have to get right here. Come on, phone. There we go. You gotta get the mount here. You gotta get this clip to come up. So, right there. Yep. What's going on here? Oh, that's down there with some tape also. Oh yeah, I'll have to get that tape off of there. So, let's see here. That's some pretty strong tape there. Okay, well, rip there. Do. Well, this thing wants to be just a little prick here. Let's see if I just cut this here. Alright, let's see what's going to happen here now. Okay. So that came up. Tomato toots. Come on. Oh, there we go. She was still stuck down there a little bit. There. That just pulls right out of there. And that'll be that. She is liberated. Alright, now I'll get this on there. Get her hooked up here. Slide her in. Get that snap down over the top, good. And come on. Kind of get this lined up here. And stick her down. Yeah, that's good enough. There's enough stick left on that. I suppose you can put a piece of Scotch tape over here or something, but it's going to be behind the cover, so I'm not worried about it. Okay, so that be that. Now, let me get the laptop itself over here. Pop the keyboard back up. There we go. Alright. So the new screen, just set it in. So, tabs lined up there. And there. Alright. Now this, remember when you put them back together, you just put a screw in where each of these arrows are. Just here on the bottom, and here on the bottom. And then that bezel goes around. That's where the other screws go in at, after you put the bezel on there. So, let's see here. Put these two bottom ones in, and I'll plug the monitor in, or plug the screen in, and pop the keyboard back in. And last thing I'll do is put the bezel on. Okay. Slide the keyboard out of the way. And this one went under, and then she just pops on. That goes up there. Okay. Now the keyboard. Just pops in. Stick a couple screws in. Come on, you prick. 1, 2. Ah, you. Come on. Okay. Got that one. You son of a pup. Okay. Now, I'm going to put this back on. Put this one in first because it has along the edge. What, sweetie? Yep, just a minute, honey. Oh, the mower's going again. I'll be back. I'm going to finish popping this in and help the little girl here, so. Okay, so here we have it. Got everything back together. The bezel ring here is back on there. Got to put the little bumpers in there. But I seem to be missing a screw, but that doesn't really matter because this is broken. This bezel ring is broke. When I got stepped on, it broke in a couple spots, but this will be good enough. There's no the screen itself looks really good, really bright. Let me pull up a white background here. Let's see what'll happen here. Yeah. I don't know why you can see that. I don't know why my phone is not focusing very well. Anyways, screen looks good. Everything's good. Easy fix. Crappy computer, easy fix. I mean, cheaply made. It's really kind of sad. But okay, that's it. See ya. Say bye.